Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today, as from the title you guys must be already knowing, but then also I'll just tell you guys that today get ready with me for my friend's engagement. So yes, I'll just show how I do my makeup and hair. Last में अगर time बचा तो, and I've removed my outfit over here. I'll just show you outfit and jewelry and सब मैंने निकाल के रखा है. So you can see this is the bottom, this is the top and dupatta, and yes, that's it. So without wasting time, let's start with the video. Okay, so to start with, first thing I'll be applying is ice pack. इससे मेकअप अच्छे से सेटल होता है. So let's start with that. And if you're wondering ये brown क्यों है, मैंने इसमें coffee mix किया था, coffee grounds. So yes, that's really great for skin. Okay, first thing I'll be applying is gel, like gel cream. You can just have a look at it. As a base, just to hydrate my skin. This is SPF 50, so it is really good for skin, and I'll just let it absorb on my skin. Wait for 2-3 minutes just to get absorbed. Till that time, I'll just remove my earrings because I have to wear those jhumkas. Next thing is primer from Colorbar, and yes, I just like this. Like I've been using this since very long time, and it gives really good coverage. So it's really nice. इसको ऐसे भी लगा दिया ना हम लोग ने without any like हम लोग को फुल फाउंडेशन और वो सब नहीं लगाना है, तो सिर्फ प्राइमर लगा के कॉम्पैक्ट लगा के भी निकल गए ना, तो दिस इज़ रियली नाइस. गिव्स वेरी नाइस कवरेज. सो फॉर द पीपल हु आर सीइंग माय वीडियो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम हु डोंट नो व्हाट प्राइमर डज इज, प्राइमर ना आपके स्किन को इवन वो कर देता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ यू हैव एनी खड्डा या कुछ तो है, तो वो अच्छे से स्मूथ कर देता है स्किन को. सो उससे मेकअप अच्छे से लगता है. That's the use of a primer. And I'll link all the products in the description box in case you are wondering. And I'll tell you one thing, like these products are not that expensive and not that cheap as well. Medium range में है and really good quality products. Skin पे ना हमेशा try using good quality products. Don't mess with your skin. And yes, skincare is also very important. Now for foundation, I'm using this matte foundation from Maybelline, and this is really nice Fit Me foundation. It is in shade 310. ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है foundation. I want to just keep it very light, like as light as possible. Don't forget your neck, it is very important. Okay, now after that, today I'm planning to use a beauty blender. Usually I use brushes like these oval brushes, but आज पता नहीं beauty blender use करने का मन कर रहा है. So for that, I'll just take water. I'll just dip this inside the water. Just squeeze it. I've made a separate video like how to use a beauty blender correctly. तो चाहो तो वो देख सकते हो. And how to clean a beauty blender, वो भी video है. बहुत सारे videos है. So do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Now you have to just dab it. Rule number 1: don't swipe it. It will give you patches. So just dab it. Okay, so everything is blended. Okay, next is this concealer that is again from Maybelline. So I don't have as such spots, but ठीक है, जहाँ पे भी है हम लोग लगा सकते हैं, या तो अंडर आई पे and even on eyelids. If you are planning to apply eyeshadow, don't forget to apply on your eyelids. Concealer से बहुत अच्छा coverage आता है. Like your eyeshadow looks more flawless if you apply concealer on your eyelids, so it is important. And then for contouring, I have 2 sticks. One is from Blue Heaven and other one is again from Maybelline. Yes, यहाँ पे 2 है, like 2-way है. It's a 2-way stick. You guys can see. But today I'm thinking to use this Blue Heaven one. So let's see. Okay, so I hope everything is blended. Now the next thing I would like to apply is a blusher. उसके बाद the whole thing I will seal it with a loose powder. सो फॉर ब्लशर आई एम यूजिंग इट फ्रॉम शुगर. मुझे शुगर के ब्लशर्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. दे आर रियली अमेजिंग. एंड द शेड ऑफ दिस इज़ कोरल क्लाइमैक्स. ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक था काफ़ी टाइम तक, लेकिन फिर फाइनली ऑर्डर कर दिया मैंने. बहुत ही पिगमेंटेड है, सो यूज़ वेरी वाइजली. तो ये ज़्यादा लग गया, यहाँ पे कम लगा है, सो आई नीड टू वाइप इट ऑफ. नाउ फॉर लूज पाउडर, अगेन फिट मी फाउंडेशन that is in medium deep. So yes, I just like this loose powder, it is very nice. Now let's go for eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow I have a lot of palettes, so I don't know which one I should wear it, so I'll just show you the palettes. So for eyeshadow I always like to use this ring finger or maybe my index finger. So yes, I'll be going for base for this orange. Now for upper base I would like to use another palette, and from here maybe I would like to go for a golden one. Yes, so I have 2 shades of golden. I'm planning to go for this, so let's apply this. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, once I have applied the eyeshadow, I didn't want it to go for that dark eyeshadow because I am already applying a blue liner. So yes, so let's apply the blue liner. So for that I have Revlon blue liner, so let's apply that. For that I need to go closer. Okay, now for mascara I'll be using this from Maybelline again. So this mascara is also very nice. Okay, next thing is this eyebrow pencil that is from Lakme. बहुत पुराना हो चुका है. It's in brown shade and I just love this. Now for lipsticks I have these 3 options, 2 from Maybelline and this is from Colorbar. ये red है, ये brown है और ये pinkish type है. So I'm planning to mix. ये long lasting है because ये बहुत लंबे समय तक चलता है. This Maybelline one matte ink and this Colorbar का shade red is very nice. So I'm confused. I'm planning to mix 2-3 shades. So let's do that. Main look ना lipstick के बाद ही आता है. बहुत डार्क लग रहा है. अभी इसके ऊपर ये पिंक लगा देते हैं. पिंक नहीं है ये, कौन सा कोई तो शेड है. That is ruler, 80 ruler. So I have done I have done a sponsored video on Instagram. You can just check that and links to of course है description box में. Okay, this is great. I'm liking it. Now the last thing is highlighter. वो मैं after I wear clothes तब I'll just have highlighter. So what I'm thinking is I'll just wear the clothes. It's already 4:30. I have to leave by 5. I'll just wear the clothes, apply the highlighter and do my hair and I'm ready to go. Yeah. Okay guys, angle set कर लेते हैं. Okay, so I have worn my outfit. I'll just wear these earrings. These blue jhumkas, they are really amazing, cute, my favorite ones. Okay guys, I'll just show you my outfit. You guys can see. Yes. I just loved it. Okay, so what I have done is that ये मेरा पूरा गाउन था, मैंने कट करवा के अच्छा सा ब्लाउज एंड स्कर्ट करा दिया है एंड दिस इज द दुपट्टा. It's looking cute, like nice. I am happy with it. So अगर आपके पास भी ऐसा कुछ है, you can definitely do it. Okay guys, the next thing is this highlighter. ये Revolution से है. So I'll be using any shade from here. This brick highlighter, I just loved it. Okay guys, so we'll be just curling our hair with this Vega 3-in-1 curler. इसका भी वीडियो है, देख सकते हो आप. Okay, I'll be just applying this heat protectant from L'Oreal. Just wait. Sorry, this is from Tresemme, not